Renewable generation assets are generation assets like solar and wind that support our zero carbon goals. I'm Ryan Donovan. I'm a renewable generation asset manager, and I've been with SMUD for going on 15 years. SMUD's goal is to eliminate carbon-emitting sources like natural gas from our power supply by 2030 and replacing that with renewable energy sources. Environmentally, I think it's critical that we address our carbon issue. I kind of grew up in the Sacramento area, enjoying the river, enjoying the mountains, enjoying the sun, the snow, and just like to see other generations be able to enjoy that. So in order to achieve that goal, we're going to have to develop more solar, and we're in the process of doing that. And we're also going to have to expand our wind generation. They're a great complement to each other. We get the solar generation during the day. Wind tends to pick up in the late afternoon and generate through the evenings. We also have access to a great wind resource region at our doorsteps in Solano County. The Solano Wind project is approximately 6,000 acres of rolling hills. The site has 107 wind turbines and generates 228 megawatts of power, generating a little over 75,000 homes worth of electricity. It's a great asset for SMUD, it's a great asset for renewable energy, and it's a great asset for California. We want all of our customers and community to be part of our journey towards a clean energy future. Join the charge and come along with us at cleanpowercity.org.